What's the meaning of ADSL? ADSL. 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 ADSL stands for Asymmetric Digital Subscriber Line. It is a type of broadband connection that utilizes existing telephone lines to provide high-speed internet access. ADSL is asymmetric, which means that the download and upload speeds are not equal. The download speed can be significantly faster than the upload speed, making it suitable for applications such as streaming video or downloading large files. To use ADSL, a special modem is required, which connects to the telephone line and the computer or router. ADSL has been widely used in households and businesses around the world for many years.